This is Planet Pulse for Friday, November 26th. The moon marched into Leo early this morning. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine. Yeah, the moon in Leo is interesting today because we have the moon in Leo, fire sign, forming a trine with the sun in Sagittarius, a fire sign.
Yeah, the trine is the most harmonious angle or aspect between planets. It represents a 120-degree relationship where energies flow well together. And this occurs when planets are in the same element. The moon and the sun, of course, are in energetic fire signs. That trine between them should give us a nice roll of energy and enthusiasm today.
Yeah, I agree with you. And I think that energy and enthusiasm is even accentuated. It's higher because we also have Mars, the planet of energy, and if you will, Aries planet Mars, and Mercury also in fiery Sagittarius, pumping that energy up more. But here's where it begins to get confusing or a little bit kind of muddled, or we have a problem, and that's because Mercury in a fire sign also is kind of in the process of working it out with a water sign, which changes the dynamic a bit.
Well, it's a weird planet in a water sign. Mercury is forming a square, a tense 90-degree angle with weird, strange Uranus and watery Pisces tomorrow. And what that means, I think, Rick, is that if our enthusiasm gets too big, we can possibly say things that are impulsive, inappropriate, or unrealistic. So there is an interesting balance we're seeking today to capture the sort of positive energy we have without completely going off the rails.
And I think that your use of the word big, or if it gets too big, is very appropriate, because even though that Mercury is coming into a square with Uranus tomorrow, it's just leaving a square that it made with Jupiter. Remember, Jupiter and Uranus are in the sky near each other, and so we probably already have
overthought, overpromised,
overcommitted, overthought, just in some way gone overboard. And now, as that square happens to Uranus, there's the sense of something happens and we may need to bring it back in. I'm Rick Levine.
And I'm Jeff Jower, inviting you to join us tomorrow and every day for Planet Pulse.